Good day everyone. Today we're at Sledmere as promised. We're going to have a look around. Apparently there's some animals, there's some new piglets and then some new cows to look at. So let's go have a look.
Oh yeah? Yeah.
Billy and Bobby, pygmy goats. Hello babies. Aren't they lovely? Yes they are. Chickens. Hey Phoebe. Shall we look at the chickens? Oh, look at those chickens. All inside because it's pretty cold today. Oh, beautiful. Phoebe's found a tractor. Is it wet?
Mummy, the slide is wet.
Oh dear. Utter dismay because the slide is wet. Oh dear, what are we going to do?
It's not too bad actually, Phoebe. It's only wet at the...
Brace yourselves, people, for ultimate cuteness. Look at these babies. Oh, gorgeous boo-boos.
Here.
Yeah, it's cold, isn't it? There's Mama Pig. Well, ain't they just adorable?
I don't like seeing anymore.
You don't like seeing animals anymore?
Beautiful babies. There's a couple here that look to be, I don't know if they're kept separate, they're under a heat lamp. Oh, gorgeous. We have some rabbits, and further rabbits. We've also got some guinea pigs. Oh, I don't know if you can see them. Gorgeous little guinea piggies. Beautiful cows. There's another one chilling down there. Hello baby cows. Gorgeous. These appear to be babies. Baby calves. Lovely. Hey? Phoebe's having a go at the have-a-go ride on tractors.
You have to push them forward, Steve.
It's making a lot of progress.
Okay.
Here we have some Oxford, Sandy and Black pigs. Don't seem to be doing a lot of this particular pig. This one's having a bit of a chill and all. Happy pigs. Here's some information about muck. The muck heap plays a vital role in managing our animal waste and maintaining a clean and healthy environment for our visitors. It is an accumulation of animal waste, soil, straw and hay that we gather and store to be rotted down by a community of billions of fungi, bacteria and invertebrates. We can then use this as organic fertiliser on the farm and in the grounds to help boost the growth of plants, vegetables and flowers. And there it is. They do have some lovely Shire horses here, but they don't seem to be knocking about at the moment. And that is a golden Guernsey goat. Yeah, I can see it, Phoebe. Look, there's one here. Hello. And there's one down there in its little shed. There's a couple more down there. Yeah, let's go see these ones then. Come on then. Phoebe's very enthusiastic about the goats. Some more golden Guernsey goats. Hello. This one's having a little bit of lunch. Hello, baby. You having a bit of lunch? Is it nice? Beautiful. During the last storm that we had, is it Storm Ewan?
No, not the latest storm. The storm that happened before Christmas.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
I think blew this tree down, and it closed the pack for a bit, for obvious reasons. So there you go.
Hi.
Bye, Phoebes. She's a daredevil. Bouncy, bouncy. Time to go up, Lupin. Come in. Hey, Lupin's up there. Lupin! Lupin! What are you doing up there? Down he comes. Sledmere House. Snowdrops are out in force quite early.
It's all white flowers.
Yeah.
Don't pick them.
Bring back autumn, I say. Fountain looks like it's covered up for winter. Walled garden. This is a walled garden.
There's statues that they've covered up.
These weird 3D twig model things. The cube. How bizarre. Don't know how well you can make it out on camera actually, but 3D pyramid. It's quite oddly symbolic, isn't it? It's a very sunny day in East Yorkshire. It's a chilly sunny day. You know, Lupin. Wee sundial. Look at these gorgeous boos. Look at these.
Hello.
Yeah, you are gorgeous. Must be very protective of her babies. Hello. The World's Wagoners Special Reserve. So, an exhibition about the world's wagoners. The Wagoners Special Reserve was a unique organisation. During the war they were noted as keen, intelligent, capable men and for the great care and attention with which they looked after their horses. This was first nature to them. Sir Mark's concern for the wagoners continued throughout the war. In September 1914, he visited them in France and brought home their news. He spoke on their behalf when they were being transferred to other units, maintaining that they were best left in horse transport units or sent back to farming. After the war, a memorial to the Wagoner Special Reserve was conceived and designed by Sir Mark. It stands in Sledmere village. There you go. Looked after the horses in the war, Phoebe. And these were all the medals that they got, look.
Oh.
Are they nice? And that's an old saddle there, Phoebe, that they put on the horse.
Oh.
The Great War for Civilization.
Fantastic. Ooh. What those?
These are things that belonged to people during the war, Phoebe.
Oh. Oh, what's this?
French pocket razor and field glasses belonging to foreman Harry Walker 38. The driving competitions.
Something else now.
General Service Wagon Mark 10. Very interesting little exhibition here at Sledmere. Who's that, Phoebe? That is Sir Mark Sykes. And he was the 6th Baronet and grandfather of the present Sir Tatton Sykes of the Special Wagon Reserve.
What is he? He's living in.
Wagoner Museum. Working vehicle collection.
Come in here.
World's wagon.
No, that's what?
That's a big wagon, isn't it, Phoebe? It's very colourful.
What is this then?
It's a wagon. So, Phoebe, built by Sissons, the famous wheelwrights of Beswick, East Yorkshire, in 1861 and used at Beswick Farm by the Duggleby family. 1861, Phoebe. That's very old, isn't it? It's in very good condition, and there's our little wagon, 2025. Containing a very grumpy baby. GS Wagon Mark 10. (1914). This is the all-purpose transport vehicle in the First World War. Thousands were built, but only a handful survive today. Donated by the Royal Logistics Corps Heritage Collection, who in turn were given it by the Imperial War Museum. Built between 1915 and 1917. There you go, GS Wagon Mark 10. And this is a horse ambulance. The Lingfield Patent Horse Ambulance, made by J&W Rendall in London, built circa 1915, used to rescue and transport injured horses to the veterinary hospitals, restored by a Mr. Rodney Greenwood. 11th of May, there's a Wagoners Challenge. Not 100% sure what that entails, but 4-inch 2-rope. Very good. There's the horse ambulance in action. RSPCA, all the way back then. Very old AA sign. Driffield 8 miles, Sledmere, Malton 12, London 219. Safety first. That is some old collection of wool. Rare breeds of livestock. And loads of medallions. That is a very old chair. Lots of saddles. This is actually a tack room. The grooms started work at 7 AM feeding and watering the horses. After going home for breakfast, they would be back at work at 8:30. The room next door was where the bran mash was made for the horses on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. The mash was rolled oats, bran, a dash of bicarbonate of soda, all mixed with boiling linseed oil. There you go. One last thing to look at is this glorious monument up here at Sledmere. It's pretty huge.
Yeah, I can move. Stop. Oh.
So, erected to the memory of, as it's written on there. You can actually go inside it. I don't know what is inside it, or how, or who gets to go in. Erected in memory of Sir Tatton Sykes Baronet. There he is. You can just about see him. By those who loved him as a friend and honoured him as a landlord. So this monument was built in 1865 to commemorate Sir Tatton Sykes. The cost was raised by a subscription among 600 of his friends and tenants. It is 174 feet tall, about 42 metres, and is built on a motte of rubble surrounded by a dry moat. The motte is faced on the east entrance side in dry cut, but not mortared stone, but dry laid brick on the other faces. The parapet of the motte was originally cemented by a wrought iron fence, but this went to war in 1940. There you go. The design is by John Gibbs of Oxford, very much in the style at that time. There you go, come and have a look at the Sledmere Monument. There's tons of information here. Obviously I'm not going to read all of that out, but yeah, come have a look. It's a pretty incredible feat of engineering, isn't it, Phoebe? Looks good, doesn't it? Yeah. You also get a pretty spectacular view of the East Yorkshire Wolds from up here. Well, thank you very much for watching. Sledmere was nice little chill little day out. You spend a couple of hours in Sledmere. There's lots of grounds you can walk around. You can go in the house as well. See all the animals. Go to the little wagon museum. It's pretty cute. And then you can come and see this monolithic monument behind me as you head home. Well, thanks very much for watching. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.